Hello, my great people. You know, they have been telling Igbos to leave Lagos. It's not that I want Igbos to stay in Lagos, but the way they are doing it is as if Igbos have not contributed greatly to Lagos and Yoruba land. They are doing it as if you people have not done anything to the city, you have not transformed the city, you should just go. Meanwhile, there are some Yorubas that are very different. I respect them. They tell others the truth. I want to play this video to you. After watching this video, we'll come back to add one or more things and we'll be out of here. Watch and see.
Many of you on my comment section, especially the Yorubas, accused me of supporting the Igbos. That I talk as if I don't like the Hausas. No. That's very wrong. I don't support any tribe in Nigeria. I don't even support Yoruba. You would know me for that. I support progress. And I am always behind justice. If it seems as if I am supporting the Igbos over any tribe in Nigeria, am I an Igbo man? No! So there must be something there that you should be asking, why am I supporting Igbo? I'm not married to an Igbo person. It is because of the fact that they bring progress, financial progress into our land. Tell me, how was Alaba market before they came there? Have you seen the development that they have brought to Oshobo, to Ibadan, to Akure, to major towns and cities in Yoruba land? Tell me, the people you say that I don't like, not that I don't like them, I just don't like the way they treat us. They believe that they are the master of Nigeria. See what happened on May the 8th. 1 year, 4 months into Tinubu's presidency. They are declaring their candidacy, telling us that they can overthrow the government with people, not even with soldiers now. They do not regard anybody from the southeast to the southwest to the south to be a good person to lead. Where we are today, who brought us here? How many southeast leaders have we had in Nigeria? How many southwest leaders have we had in Nigeria? The problems we are facing in Nigeria today were brought upon us by the northern leaders. Yet they don't believe that power should be transferred or should be rotated. I am not supporting the Igbo. I am only supporting progress. Progress that they brought to my homeland. And I am not against the Hausas. I am only questioning their act in Yoruba land. They don't build houses. They don't build anything. They take money out of our land. And that is why it seems as if I don't like them. I like them. I just want them to contribute their own quota, just as we contribute to other places we go. God bless you. I love you all.
This is not coming from my mouth. It is not coming from the mouth of an Igbo man. It is coming from the mouth of a Yoruba man. He said he is accused of supporting the Igbos against the Hausas. That he is a Yoruba. He doesn't even support the Yoruba. You know, like I said earlier, many people are telling Igbos, leave. You guys are a problem here. You don't contribute anything. Now, there are some sincere people, like I said, people like this. What was in Alaba before the coming of Ndi Igbo? Simple question. What was Alaba? Just like you see in several Yoruba states, development brought by the Ndi Igbo. And all of this place they are using for trading businesses, we are not giving to them freely. Yes, they bought the place and develop. They even buy swamps, which I don't encourage you. I don't encourage all of this now. I'm not happy with them. I don't even want them to build more. Igbos bring progress to your place. They don't only take from the place, they invest, they build. The other day I was discussing with a Hausa man in my village. I was like telling him, you guys can speak Igbo. Oh, wow, you guys are doing well. And I asked them, where are your houses here? He said, God forbid. He wasn't even trying to give us respect that they are in our place. He said, God forbid that I'll build here. That is what they told us. But Igbo goes to the north, every part of Nigeria, they build huge investments in the name of where they do business and where they live. They want to, not because they don't allow people to build in a place. They allow people, but they are the ones that have all this while acted as true one Nigerians. Any land Igbo people is taking from, they are investing in that land too. And look at what this guy is saying. Look at what this guy is saying. These guys, the other guys he's talking about, they don't repair your place. So all this while, they have been the one ruling this country. The northern leaders. Look at the state of this country. Look at where we are. How many times has an Igbo man ruled this country? Why would some people feel it is their birthright to rule? The other time, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba. If you ask them, what will say Baba or Baba, the Baba you are saying, say Baba, it must be that Baba do for you. Now we have tested him, he has gone. He destroyed the country and he has left. The so-called Baba. He destroyed this country. Now and again, now he's talking between Yoruba and Hausa. A Yoruba man is in power. The Hausa people are not comfortable. They want the Yoruba man to go so that their people will come. Our focus should be on who will fix this country and not about whose people should rule. Why don't Hausa people invest in other people's land? Can you show us Hausa investment in Igbo land or in Yoruba land? You hardly even see Yoruba investment in Igbo land, hardly. But Igbos, wherever they take something from, they invest there too. So Igbos are progressives. And this man says he supports progress and justice. Igbos have brought massive development to Yoruba land and the northern Nigeria. Every part you see Igbo in Nigeria, they have developed that place. I'm not really so much concerned about what he said, the North removing Tinubu. Because the fact for me, Tinubu is not doing well. We must say the truth. Tinubu is not doing well. My focus here is Igbo. For those telling Igbo, leave. I am not even interested in Igbo staying. I want them to go and fix their place. Igbos have been fixing other part of Nigeria, and nothing like showing them we are grateful, but to attack them or push them out, and so that other people will seize the place. Anya atọ na-edoziri ndị ọzọ be ha. Olugo ka ya hapụ idozibe ndị ọzọ doziwe be anyị. Ndị Igbo saa n'anya, ama na ife ekwuru kịta, ụfọdụ ya na-enwe aṅụrị. Hey, na nwoke akwụrụ ọfụma. Unu enwezi na aṅụrị. Olugo ka ya eje doziwe be anyị. Ife ọ na-ekwu uwe eziokwu. Ebe ọ na Igbo jere, Igbo na-edozi ebe ahụ. Igbo na-eweta development. A na-eme achọ ka achụpụ Igbo ka ha wolukwa. Ife a ji m ife nya maka ndị mmanụ na-asị, ndị ofe mmanụ sị na onwe ife ndị Igbo na-alụ. O nwere ndị ụcha ndị eziokwu n'ime ha ya ekwu dịka onye a. Ebe a ka anyị si ka apịachie nke a, anyị na-abịachi akwa n'ọzọ ngwanụ.